Decimals. Compare decimals bigger than, smaller than. When comparing decimals, you need to compare the place value of each column. Let's look at some numbers. 2. More columns give a bigger number. So 22, there's a 2 in the tens column. 22 is greater than 2. A bigger number in the same column will also give a bigger number. 32 has 3 in the tens column. 32 is greater than 22. Each column shows a smaller part of a whole number, but more columns can also be a bigger number. 0.1 compared to 0.11. 0.11 is greater than 0.1. We've got 11 hundredths compared to 10 hundredths. 11 hundredths is greater than 10 hundredths. A bigger number in the same column will also give a bigger number. So 0.12 is greater than 0.11, or 12 hundredths is greater than 11 hundredths. Which is bigger, 3.2 or 3.25? Let's put the numbers into columns. 3.2, 3 ones and 2 tenths. 3.02 is 3.2. Then we have 3.25, 3 ones, 2 tenths and 5 hundredths. 3.25. They have the same number of ones and the same number of tenths, but 3.25 has 5 more hundredths. So 3.25 is bigger than 3.2. To compare decimals, go column by column, starting with the biggest column. Is 0.06 bigger or smaller than 0.1? Let's put the numbers into columns, line up the numbers, 0.06 and 0.1. Compare column by column, starting with the biggest. Let's look at the ones column. They're both the same, so now we move on to the next biggest column, the tenths column. 1 is greater than 0. So 0.1 is bigger than 0.06. We don't need to go any further. We do need to look at what the question has asked for. Is 0.06 bigger or smaller than 0.1? It's smaller. Make sure you line up the numbers correctly so you can compare each column. Is 0.549 bigger or smaller than 0.37? Let's put the numbers into the columns, 0.549 and 0.37. Compare column by column, starting with the biggest. Look at the ones column. They're both the same, they're both 0. Move on to the next biggest column, the tenths column. 5 is greater than 3. So 0.549 is bigger than 0.37. We don't need to go any further than the tenths column. 0.549 is bigger than 0.37. We can use the same method with larger numbers. Is 46.51 bigger or smaller than 46.8? Put the numbers into the columns, 46.51 and 46.8. Compare column by column, starting with the biggest. Look at the tens column. They're both the same, so then we move on to the next biggest column, the ones column. They're both the same, so next we can move on to the next biggest column, the tenths column. 8 is greater than 5, so 46.8 is greater than 46.51. 46.51 is smaller than 46.8. Remember to look what the question's asking. Remember, when comparing decimals, you need to compare the place value of each column. Compare column by column, starting with the biggest. If they are the same, move on to the next biggest column. As soon as you find a difference, you don't need to go any further. Give your answer in the order asked by the question.